Everyone wants to know the secret of my world. So all of you are lucky tonight. It's right here. It's corn. Now you know.
We have to awaken. What really matters is that we take action and find our ways to connect again to the mystery of the universe. Again, all of creation is connected. We are all one. Love and understanding for this living earth does exist. The future of Earth and our well-being lies in our hands, and only together, like raindrops, will we be able to nourish the river of life. I do not believe we go up to the sky unless it is to come down again with the rain.